A little bit about today is the RGB digital alarm clock by Scheslum. So let's look at it. This digital alarm clock comes with everything you see here, including the alarm clock itself, a very simple but easy to install base, and a USB cord with plug to help charge it. Now that we have our RGB digital alarm clock set up, let's show you all the colors it can do, and let's also show you the brightness settings. It has a manual and automatic, and we'll show you how that works. First of all, to change the color, there are 11 different settings. You just simply click this snooze button here on top, and it'll cycle through all your options. Red is a great one for night or dark times, just is not as harsh on your eyes, but you have lots of other great color scheme options, from green to blue to pink, to a nice rainbow color, and something that oscillates between them as well. For your brightness of the display, what you need to do is look at the side of your digital alarm clock, and you'll notice that there are several buttons over here. The one we're going to focus on is this plus button in the middle. If you push and hold it for 3 seconds, it's going to enter that mode that allows you to change the brightness. When in that mode, just tap the plus button to cycle through and set up the brightness to where you want it to keep it stationary. However, if you want it to be automatic, you can also set that up. So first, let's show you what that looks like. When it's on, that means it's in automatic mode, and it will automatically adjust to the brightness in the room. And you can see there that it automatically adjusted to the lighting of the room. So what we're going to now show you is the manual version of that. We're going to push and hold that plus button for 3 seconds until it says off, and then we're just going to click that plus button manually and show you how it cycles through all the light settings from the brightest to the dimmest to just being completely off. So you get a lot of control with this. You also have an opportunity to set it automatically depending on your preference. Something else to know on your digital alarm clock is that it has these 2 USB ports over here on the side. So if you wanted to, you can also plug in a USB connection to this as well. And that is the RGB digital alarm clock, a great option to consider when looking for an alarm clock to have in your room. The product I want to show and tell you a little bit about today is the RGB digital alarm clock by Scheslum.